Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to enhance your driving safety and capture every moment on the road, a reliable dash cam is essential. AZDOME has established itself as a leading brand in the dash cam industry, offering a range of models that cater to various needs and preferences. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best AZDOME dash cams available right now. From comprehensive 360 degrees coverage to advanced features like voice control and night vision, these dash cams provide exceptional performance and value. All product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and detailed specifications. Let's get started, beginning with number 5 on our list. Number 5. AZDOME M01 Dual Dash Cam. The AZDOME M01 Dual Dash Cam offers full coverage with 2160p front and rear cameras, plus an inside view for complete security. Featuring ADAS technology, it provides lane departure and forward collision warnings to keep you safe on the road. Super Night Vision ensures clear footage day and night. The 150 degrees front and 120 degrees rear lenses capture every detail. It includes a free 64GB SD card and supports loop recording, with G-sensor locked videos protected from overwriting. With 24-hour parking mode and easy dashboard mounting, the M01 is a reliable companion for safer driving. Number 4. AZDOME GS63H 4K Dash Cam. The AZDOME GS63H Pro offers stunning Ultra HD 4K front and Full HD 1080p rear recording with ultra-wide lenses, 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear, capturing every detail on the road. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and app control, easily manage and share footage on your phone within 25 feet. Its built-in GPS logs your route, speed, and location for added security. Featuring WDR and Starvis night vision, it delivers crisp, clear videos even in low light. Plus, loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring keep you protected around the clock. Number 3. AZDOME M585K Wi-Fi Dash Cam. The AZDOME M580 Dual Dash Cam delivers crystal clear 5K front, 5160x 2160p, and 4K plus 1080p rear video with a sharp 4-inch touchscreen for easy navigation. Featuring ultra-fast built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can download large videos in seconds via the AZDOME app. The integrated GPS tracks your driving route, speed, and location, providing vital evidence when needed. Advanced 24-hour parking monitoring offers 4 modes including time-lapse and motion detection, ensuring your car stays protected around the clock. Included with a 64GB card and backed by 24/7 support, the M580 is your ultimate driving companion. Number 2. AZDOME M550 Pro 5G Dash Cam. The AZDOME M550 Pro is a versatile 3-channel dash cam designed for comprehensive vehicle security. It records in stunning 4K resolution on the front camera, with 1080p quality for the rear and inside cabin cameras. Equipped with built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, it allows fast video downloads and easy management via the AZDOME app. The dash cam features 24-hour parking monitoring with collision detection and time-lapse recording, ensuring your vehicle is protected even when parked. Its advanced IR night vision guarantees clear footage day and night. With built-in GPS, it tracks your speed and route, providing valuable evidence if needed. Number 1. AZDOME M660 4-channel Dash Cam. The AZDOME M660 is a powerful 4-channel dash cam offering complete 360-degree coverage with 4 adjustable lenses. It records crystal clear footage from the front, rear, and both sides of your vehicle, capturing every angle in stunning detail with 2.5K resolution at the front and 1K on the others. Featuring 128GB high-speed eMMC storage, it ensures fast, reliable saving and prevents data loss. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi allows super-fast downloads, letting you transfer an 800 megabytes video in just 13 seconds. With the AZDOME app, you can easily view, manage, and share your videos on social media, making it perfect for capturing and sharing your journeys. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.